Hi, I'm John with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember that anytime you work on an appliance, make sure that it is unplugged or the circuit breaker is turned off so there is no chance of electrocution. Today we're going to show you how to install a new spring kit for a Maytag washer. It's an easy job that only requires a 5/16" nut driver, a putty knife, a pair of locking pliers, and some grease. When you open the package, you'll get 6 new springs. The reason why you'd be replacing the suspension spring kit is if the washer tub shakes or moves around a lot during operation. Use a putty knife to press in and release the 2 tabs that will allow the whole top to be tilted up. Afterwards, lift up the top and carefully place it against something sturdy. Locate the 2 screws that retain the front panel of the washer. Then, use a 5/16" nut driver to remove the screws. Tilt the panel forward, lift up slightly, and then you can remove the panel from the machine. Locate the 6 suspension springs that control the motion of the tub during washer operation. Although you can remove all the springs from the front, it may be easier to remove the rear access panel to better access the rear springs. Using a 5/16" nut driver, remove the 3 screws that hold the panel in place. Then, remove the panel. Appliance Parts Pros sells a special tool to remove the tub springs. However, most people will likely use a pair of locking pliers to remove the springs, so that's how we'll show you how to do it. Here are the old tub springs next to the new ones. If you already have the new parts, great. If not, you can get them at AppliancePartsPros.com. Add a bit of grease to the ends of the new suspension springs. Position one end of the new spring in the washer cabinet. Then use locking pliers to connect the other end of the spring to the washer tub assembly. After the last new spring is installed, reinstall the back panel. Then, thread in and tighten the 3 retaining screws. Put the panel back in place, making sure that on the bottom the 2 tabs align, and then tilt it forward. Thread in and tighten the 2 screws that retain the front panel. Carefully lower down the top and then push on the front edge so it engages the 2 retaining clips. Afterwards, reconnect the power cord and then your appliance should be ready for use. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. And be sure to check out our other repair videos on our website, on our Facebook page, and on our YouTube channel.